how to deal with garlic and turn it into a beautiful puree or a mince if you like. This will just get so much more flavor out of your garlic and no having to clean out that horrible little garlic press thing. This is the way to do it. A couple of cloves of garlic. With the flat of the knife, give it a bit of a bash. And now you can just snip off the top and the bottom ends. There we go. And you should then be really easy to peel your garlic with no fuss. Off comes that papery skin. Just give it a rough chop. Don't be too precious about it because we're going to be mincing it. So in half and then into little matchsticks. 90-degree turn and give it a rough chop. Now, here's the little trick for you. Some nice, coarse, good quality sea salt. Give that a bit of a sprinkle. Be quite generous with it. That sea salt is going to immediately start to bring some moisture out of the garlic, and it's also going to make it quite abrasive because we're now going to start crushing. Take a knife, flat, blade pointing away from you, and you want to put 3 fingers along the top so we've got some control, and we're going to crush, roll and draw back and start to crush the garlic underneath the flat of the blade. Apply a good bit of pressure and just keep repeating that until you have a nice garlic puree. The smell already coming off this, it's heady and fresh and garlicky and absolutely delicious. Into a pot, ready to use. Beautiful.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button down below, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit that little bell to turn on notifications.